Most of the time, less than 3,000 lang yan. Rent a meeting room for a day. You only pay for the actual time na ginamit mo yung office, hindi buong buwan. May iba pa bang options na pwede ko explore? Like, for example, office sharing or a virtual office. A virtual office is a virtual office address that you only pay for rent. And most of the time, less than 3,000 lang yan. Depende sa location. But in Quezon City, we're less than 3,000. Hindi ikaw mapapatayo. Imagine, hindi ikaw magbabayad ng utilities, maintenance, aircon cleaning, pest control, CCTV, fire extinguishers, lahat yan, sagot na ng virtual office. You only pay for rent initially. Ngayon, if may client ka, rent a meeting room for a day. You only pay for the actual time na ginamit mo yung office, hindi buong buwan. Or a table and share. Kapag mag-co-work ka, kailangan mo ng CEO day. Kailangan mo na malahimik kasi ang ingay sa bahay, or ang ingay sa site, or ang ingay wherever, and hindi na kinakaya ng Starbucks or cafe, yung kailangan mo na katahimikan, kailangan mo talaga mag-focus. Yun lang talaga babayaran mo, yung day na nandun ka sa office, hindi yung buong 30-31 days. So again, I'm Izzy of Free Monday. If you want to learn more, please send us a message. Bye!